welcome. Very good morning to all. So this is a program briefing untuk BIM, the Bachelor of Management, BIM. So short form untuk program ni adalah BIM ya, bukan BOM ya, BIM ya. Okay, pada 24 Januari 2026. Welcome ya to all of you to program BIM untuk semester. So you all mula pelajaran anda untuk semester Januari 2026. So ini adalah semester pertama anda. Okay. So this is university for all. So anda telah memilih OUM, okay, di mana pembelajaran adalah fleksibel dan dia adalah dia online, okay. Okay, just to share with you Open University punya vision and mission. Open University in Malaysia, the vision is to be the leading provider of flexible learning, and the mission is to widen access to quality education and provide lifelong learning opportunities by leveraging on technology, adopting a flexible mode of learning, and providing a conducive and engaging learning environment at competitive and affordable cost. Okay, now, ini adalah main campus OUM. So this is the address. Feel free to drop by. Kita ada library kat sana. Okay, you can see all the, kalau kita, we are based there. Okay, saya adalah base kat Menara OUM dekat Kompleks Kelana Okay, ini adalah email. Okay, kita ada approximately 35 learning support at learning centers nationwide. Okay, all of you mungkin ada learning center masing-masing. Okay, kalau ada apa-apa, you can just walk into any learning center. All the staffs in the learning centers are very happy and welcome to assist you. Kalau boleh lah. Kalau tak, online ya, all the forms are in online. So, jinak-jinak lah dengan MyInspire. Alright, you go explore the MyInspire punya website lah. Okay. Okay, now, BIM, Bachelor of Management is with honors. Okay, it's a part-time online studies. Okay, and currently this program is recognized by Chartered Management Institute, CMI. All right, and it is accredited by MQA. Right. This presentation will go to the flow of program overview, PEO and PLO, and then program structure. They have learning assessment. They have credit transfer and FLC, and then you have career opportunities and pathway. All right. Now let's go to overview. Now, the Bachelor of Management, BIM. Now, in short form dalam OUM, in OUM, you can refer Bachelor of Management dengan BIM lah. Okay, it's designed to provide learners with a strong foundation in business fundamentals and an understanding of the application in real-world work environments. Right? Now, let's look at the program educational objective, PEO. Now, PEO, we have 5 PEO for this program. PEO is to possess in-depth and comprehensive theoretical and practical knowledge in management. PEO2 is to possess comprehensive managerial and entrepreneurial skills to perform effectively and responsibly in different organizations. PEO3 is to use a broad range of digital applications and analytical techniques to support management functions. PEO4 is to demonstrate teamwork, leadership, interpersonal communications, creativity, and innovation skills. PO5, and the last one is PO5, is to commit and seek learning for continuous development in management. Okay, program learning outcome, PLO, kita ada 11, meaning when you graduate from this program, we hope that you have these 11 skills, right? PO1 is to so courses in the program will cover all these 11 skills. And then, okay, this upon completion of the program, bila dah habis ya program, so semua subjek, 40 lebih subjek dalam program, in the program, it will help you to achieve all these 11 objectives. That means all these 11 skills. The PO1 is to assess in-depth theories and concepts in business. PO2 is to apply in-depth and comprehensive business knowledge to manage complex problems in business organizations using different approaches. PO3 is to organize task operations effectively and efficiently within business organizations. PO4 is to demonstrate effective collaborative skills with diverse stakeholders. PO5, demonstrate effective written and oral communication with diverse stakeholders. PO6, demonstrate relevant digital skills for work or study. PO7 is to analyze numerical and graphical data to assist decision-making in work or study. PO8 is to demonstrate leadership skills and responsibility in managing business organizations. PO9, identify self-improvement for academic and career development. PO10, demonstrate entrepreneurship skills in resolving business problems. And the last one, PO11, is to organize task operations ethically and flexibly within business organizations. Okay, OUM is a leading local university offering a program through open distance learning, ODL. Now, kita in OUM we have 3 intakes, January, May, and September. All of you join the January intake. So your first semester is January 2026 intake, right? The mode of study is part-time, okay, and it's online mode. Okay, in currently BIM program only has is on a part-time mode and it's all on online. Duration is approximately 4 years and 8 months, 14 semesters. Okay, depending on how fast, how well you can progress. Also depending on your results, yeah. All right. Now, flexible, yeah. Don't push yourself to the max. To you, all right. You can adjust your timetable yourself. That means sebab all of you are working adults. So kalau system tu offer you 4-5 subjects, right? First semester is fixed, yeah. When later on, when they offer you 3 courses, if it's too heavy for you, you can just take 1 or 2. All right. You don't have to force yourself to take 3. So you just slower, tapi you go steadily. All right. Sebab some of you may be very heavy with certain work, your personal life and your work life. You know, you have new projects or things like that. So manage your time yourself. All right. We are very flexible. As long as you finish all the courses in the program, then that's it. And this program is accredited by NQA. All right, you can check it at the website on NQA. It's NQA/A7470. Okay. And then the program structure consists of this program consists about 4 years and 8 months. This is just a standard guideline je lah. Tapi you can over 14 semesters. You can also do slightly lesser than 14 semesters. All right. And then this program consists of 120 credits. Program ni kena habis 120 credits. I mean, you have to complete 120 credits in order to graduate. And then 12 credits consist from MPU courses. This is a compulsory courses from the Ministry of Education. And then you have the 15 credits which is university compulsory. You have 12 credits which is basic compulsory, and 69 credits are the core courses, and 12 credits are electives. Okay, the electives currently you don't have to choose first. When you have completed certain percentage of the credit, then the system will ask you to choose which electives courses you want to take. Okay, now these are the courses: MPU courses, compulsory, university compulsory courses, basic compulsory courses. MPU 12 credit hours, you have penghayatan etika dan peradaban tu, kursus integriti dan anti rasuah tu, falsafah dan isu semasa tu, right? Khidmat masyarakat, entrepreneurship tu, bahasa kebangsaan. It's a bahasa kebangsaan depending on the results on your SPM, yeah. So dalam system you already know all these are the courses. Now you can see the courses sebelah tu dia ada FLC kan. Ada yang tak ada. The courses with the word FLC means these courses are available for FLC. It's open for FLC. FLC means credit transfer using working experience. That means you don't have to go through the courses, but you have to go through the FLC by providing relevant documents to prove that you have the skills for these courses already. All right, because all of you are working adults. Okay, so you need to decide yourself which courses, if you want to take FLC, you have to decide, is my working experience can cover the learning outcome for this course or not? Okay, there will be a fee for FLC. All right, there's fee for the processing, for the FLC credit transfer. Okay, these are the core courses. We consider 69 credit hours. Okay. And then you also have the program structure, which are the electives. Now, electives, we have the HRM, which is the Human Resource Management, Retailing, Logistics and Supply Chain, Islamic Wealth Management, and General Area. Now, if you are interested in Human Resource Management, you need to take all the 4 courses, under Human Resource Management, because 12 credits are 4 courses. Okay, each courses under electives are 3 credits. So if you want to take retailing, under retailing, there are 5 electives. You have to choose 4. You can choose 4. Logistics and supply chain also the same. The same goes for Islamic wealth and management. But if you want to choose general, all right, you can choose any combination. You can choose one from HR, you can choose one from retailing, you can choose one from logistics, you can choose one from Islamic wealth management. Or you can take 2 from HRM, 1 from retailing, 1 from logistics. Just any courses from the 4 except digital marketing. Digital marketing is only for retailing. electives. All right, for the area of retailing for electives. Okay. Now you don't have to choose now yet because you just started. So after you completed certain percentage of the credit hours, 120, after you completed a certain number of courses, the system will automatically ask you which courses you want to take. So after you have chosen the courses, you don't have to worry, because if you decided to change your mind later on, you can change, as long as the course you belum ambil course here, you have not taken the course yet. If you have taken the course and you already passed the course and now you want to change, then you can do that, but the courses that you have taken is wasted lah. All right, because you have to retake another 12 credit hours, which is equivalent to 4 courses, right? Now, learning assessment will consist of self-instructional materials, SIM, SIM, where you can see some learning materials is in the MyInspire for the courses. Okay, you can allocate time to study at your own pace, anytime and anywhere. Okay, you can study at revision, you can do your coursework, facilitation by e-tutor, and you have peer discussion as in the OCP. And when learner support, now all the learning centers, they will conduct learning workshop, assignment workshops, and then you also have in the MyInspire, there is one eCRM button on top of the MyInspire. So you can, any feedback or inquiries or complaints you want to make, you can go to eCRM. I hope no complaints lah, all right? But that's a button for you to go anyway, right? Anything, you can go to the eCRM. And then you can walk into any learning centers nearest to you, then you can get it done immediately lah. I mean, anything that you want to get it done. They have counseling, but counseling is only available at HQ and with prior appointment, right? If you need a counseling. And then each tutorial via Google Meet is about 1 to 2 hours each session. All right, now for this course, you have 8 sessions. Maybe 8 hours for each course. And then the sessions are recorded, and all the recorded videos will be made available in MyInspire. So those of you who missed the class, you don't have to worry. You can watch back the recording, but try not to miss the class lah. All right. But when you are moving towards, I mean, when you're in the second year or third year or fourth year, you may have a lot of other commitments, so you may miss some of the classes. You can watch back recording at your own time, at your own pace. So interact with your e-tutors and peers at real time. And then you have online learning, you have e-tutorial, you have e-modules in PDF form, or sometimes you already have flip books. For certain modules, you already have flip books. Then you have video lectures, you have e-forum and digital library. Now, the assessment mode for this program, because this program has more than 40 courses, you need to take about more than 40 courses. So different courses have different types of assessments. So the assessment consists of continuous assessment, which are assignments, online class participation, OCP, online activities, reflective reports, oral presentation, and video presentation. The OCP is very important. Join the class to know the requirement for OCP. Okay, what are the things to do and not to do for the OCP? And then the final examination consists of multiple choice questions, short essay questions, and essay. Okay, short essay question also essay, but they are short lah. MCQ are multiple choice question lah. All right. And then you have goes to FLC. FLC is what I've showed you just now earlier. Remember your FLC song? You have FLC courses. Okay, some of the courses you have, FLC is open for FLC. So FLC are credit awards. FLC assessments can take form of either a challenge test or a portfolio assessment. FLC lets you earn up to 60% of your degree credits by proving that your prior learning aligns with your program's course learning outcomes, enabling you to take fewer credits, save money, and complete your studies faster. So you don't have to go to the class. You don't need, with credit FLC, you don't have to go to the class, do assignments, do the final exam. You apply for FLC, the FLC staff will contact with you, and then you need to provide the relevant document to prove that you already know your working experience or your prior learning experience already. You have the skills already for that course, so it can be exempted. So you'll be awarded a FLC. There will be a cost incur. All right. So, however, you can save money lah. I mean, slightly lower, and also complete your studies faster. So, okay, this is FLC. There's another form where you can also have credit transfer. For example, you have done certain courses in the diploma in a certain university or degree, okay, in a certain in other education institution. So you want to have a credit transfer, you can do that. Then you may apply for credit transfer of courses completed at another recognized university or institutions. The policy of credit transfer is governed by Malaysian Qualification Agency, MQA rules and regulations. Now, all these are governed by the MQA. Yeah, FLC also governed by the MQA, is also governed by the MQA. There are certain rules that we have to follow. That means there are certain criteria in order for us to award credit transfer or FLC credit. And then you may refer to the student handbook for the undergraduate in My Inspire under 4.11, page 17 for more information about the credit transfer. Okay, now these are some of the career opportunities for upon completion of the program, which include manager consultants, industrial production manager, financial advisor, retail manager, administrative manager, sales manager, purchasing agent, and entrepreneur. All right, now these are some you may scan. These are some of the main campus. You can also scan for any inquiries that you need. Right now, I am the program director for this program for Bachelor of Management. So I'm Chiam. All right, this is my email. I think it's already, my email is available on the website of BIM for OUM. All right, so feel free to email me if there's any problems that you face, or you can go to ECRM, because if you channel it to me, there are certain issues I need to actually refer it. I will actually pass it to another different department for, especially for operational issues. But if for academic and content issues, feel free to contact me. All right. ECRM is the place where it's a centralized center, and then they will actually channel it to the respective course leader, the respective tutor, or respective program director, faculty, or units. All right. So thank you. That's all for the session. Do you have any questions? Anything that you want to ask for regarding the program? Are you all okay? Okay.
Yes, madam.
Oi, bagusnya. No problem. Okay. So all of you have classes start up. Just to let you know is that for the first semester, I'm not sure, I think for the first semester, the classes are fixed. The timetable are fixed. All right. But when you are moving to the second semester or the third semester, fourth semester, you are considered a senior student. That means no longer a new learners. You are considered a senior learners. So the timetable may be, based on the e-tutor that are being assigned to you for the course. All right. So yes, I think the course, the program basically is quite clear. Is that okay? For those of you who want to apply for FLC or credit transfer, you may do so now. All right. Providing you have not taken the course. Don't take the course that you apply lah. Jangan tengah ambil that you apply, because you may not know. So you may replace. Okay, it's very flexible in OUM. Is that if they offer you courses A, B, C, you don't feel confident taking subject C now. So you can replace it with subject D, but replace it with the same level. Yeah, don't replace it with the higher level, because you have year 1, year 2, year 3, and year 4 courses. Okay. So make sure that you can replace the courses, but providing is available, providing is offered that semester and also is within the same level of the course lah. All right. And also you may also make sure that you join the classes, and in order to graduate from the program, your CGPA must be 2.0. Minimum is 2.0. If you do not, if upon completion of all the courses, if it's below 2.0, you may need to repeat certain courses. Okay, when you repeat certain courses, choose the courses that has rooms for improvement, and at the same time you have more confidence in improving. Okay, you have to get 2.0 minimum. So make sure that your CGPA tu terjaga lah. Okay, watch your CGPA, right? So that you don't have to retake the courses. It's wasting. It's actually, if you're taking the courses, if you repeat the courses, you will need more time and more cost. Okay, but anyway, you can do slow. Don't worry. Don't push yourself chasing like must take 3-4 courses per semester. If it's too heavy for you. It's very flexible. Do it when you feel, when you depending on your workload and your personal life lah. Because some of you have a lot of things in your family to handle. Because personal matters a lot of things sometimes, and then your work also has a lot of matters. They're giving you projects or things like that to do. So, or you're being transferred to a new department, transferred to a new state or whatever. And when you're transferred to a new state, you can always change your learning center. Just walk into any learning center. Don't have to worry if you're in Bangi now and then you have to go to, let's say, for example, you have to go to Ipoh or Kuching. Okay. You can change, you can request to change your learning center. We are very flexible on that. And all the forms are available in MyInspire, all right? Now, for example, if due to unforeseen circumstances, if you cannot join the exam, okay? If let's say for any exam, you have completed the assignments, you submitted the assignments, but due to something unforeseen circumstances, you cannot take the final exam on the scheduled date, all right? Always fill up the form, Fill up the form for defer the final exam so that your assignment marks still remains the same. Hold for 1 year. You have to take the course you have to take the final exam within a year. If you don't take within a year, that is considered null, and then you have to retake the whole thing again. That means you have to go to the classes, do the assignment again. All right? So make sure that you check the date carefully, because add, drop, courses, semua we have the dates. Okay? So provide, and also when you defer your final exam, provide reasons for it, Example, some students may have fire on the house. Okay, you make a report, submit the report. You're not feeling well. I spend somebody, due to medical issues. Then provide the relevant document. It's okay, all right. You can defer the final exam. That means your assignment still, the marks you get for the assignment still holds for 1 year. All right, but after 1 year tu dah tak boleh lah. All right, faham ya? No more questions. Kahing, Farah, Shivani, Sophia, Farah, Rosa.
Currently, no.
Intan, no question. Shivani.
No questions, madam.
Alright, very happy. Good lah.
No, madam.
No, tiada soalan.
Fazila. Nothing all happy. So, siapa ada kelas? Some of you have classes, you can join the class. Now, this is just a briefing to let you know that I'm here. I'm the program director for this program. Feel free to contact me. Right, you can call the number on the OUM website, for my name, because it's my office number. It's my direct office number. But if I'm not in the office, it will go direct to my handphone. All right. I hope you all will have a pleasant learning journey lah. No problem, smooth. You manage your time. Manage the studies on your own. Manage your time on your own. My advice is just about you all. Some of you mungkin dah lama, okay, you already left your studies. Now decided to pick up the studies, all right. The momentum may be slow in the beginning, okay, but when you dah habis first, second, third sem tu, you dah already, the momentum is there. It's quite easy for you to catch up. All right, but for now, try slowly, all right, and pick up slowly and stay in the program. If possible, don't fail the courses, all right. So, but once you get the F, your CGPA akan drop banyak. Drop banyak tu banyak ya. So, try not to lah, okay. Kalau tak boleh cope, then you take lesser courses. Okay, supaya jaga CGPA, walaupun lambat, tapi boleh sampai destinasi. Okay, this is just my advice, because I nampak some of the students, they keep repeating the courses, they take more time, more cost and everything. Also, stress kan, more burden for the students and things like that. I hope BIM, not only BIM students, I hope all students don't tak payah, don't go through this phase. Okay, all of you will have a good phase. Smooth learning journey, tapi kena bijak. Okay, you kena bijak mengawal masa dengan bijak menentukan khusus apa yang nak diambil lah. Alright. So you have to make your own decision because we don't know your situation. Okay. But feel free to contact me if you need any advice on anything about the academic matter, subject ke, what course to take. What course to take, you follow the structure. Okay, if anything that you want to ask, kalau nak, I hope not lah, belum sampai masa tu. Alright, you are first semester, I hope that you are all doing well for the course. Dapat CGPA yang tinggi for first semester. Okay, so you can have a good start. Right? No more questions? If there's no more questions, I will end the session. Tapi kalau ada, hai Fazila, kalau ada, tanya tau. Bukan Fazila, Fazida. Fazida.
Ya, Fazida.
Saya asyik panggil Fazila. Fazida. Baru perasan. Okay? All of you okay? Tanya, Farah. Anything? If there's no questions, thank you all of you for spending your weekend with me. I believe some of you ada kelas juga. Nanti petang ke, morning ke ada kelas. Okay, hope that you enjoy the class. Download the latest module, use the module, alright, and attend the class. Yeah, if you really cannot attend the class, then watch the recording lah. Okay, thank you all. Some of you may see me during the class later on. Tapi I bukan ajar per semester lah. Okay. Kalau ada apa-apa bertanya ya. If not, then you may leave the session. And thank you all ya.
Thanks, Madam.
Thank you Kak Heng. Thank you Shubani. Thank you Sophia.
Thank you, Madam.
Thank you.
Thank you, Madam.
Thank you Fazila. Thank you Farah. Thank you all ya.